Hi everyone and welcome to Colesy's Corner. This is Toby. Today, Toby and I are going to show you how to make cute little chicks. Okay, so keep watching and you'll see a little photo right now on the screen of what we're going to make. Okay, so we have 6 paddle pop sticks. We have a piece of yellow paper to stick the paddle pop sticks on for our body. We have 2 arms, we have a beak, don't we Toby? We have 2 googly eyes and 2 feet and a head, some hair. Okay, first things first, we are going to put some glue on the paddle pop sticks, okay? So we're gonna go like this, aren't we Toby? Da 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 da. Toby, ready? Can you stick? Yeah, can you stick it? So Toby's so good at sticking. He's did it all by himself. Toby, high five. All right, so now we have our body pasted on the yellow paper. Okay, you're gonna stick this now. This is the chicken hair. Okay, so that's what we've got so far. All right, and then it will dry soon, don't worry. Okay, while we are here, we're going to put the googly eyes on, aren't we Toby? Can you please stick those on? Just here. Toby, can you please stick these on? Please? Good job, high five! Okay, now we need to put the feet on, Tobes. Okay, can you please glue the feet on? You are so good at this. High five. Other one, this one. We're going to put the arms on the chickie, aren't we? There we go. We're going to stick the beak on now. Right in the middle. You just cut a diamond shape out of your... Oh! Is that delicious? We don't eat PVA glue, do we, guys? Everybody, look what Toby and I made. We made a cheeky chick. Ta-da!